Hello everyone. This lecture is again continuation of smart form. In this lecture we will study how to convert a smart form into PDF. Now generally whenever we receive some layout, generally we always have a requirement now to convert that layout into PDF. So I am moving on to transaction code SC38, which is the transaction code for ABAP editor. I am opening the same program zdriver_program. Now whenever we want to convert smart form into PDF, firstly we have to convert that smart form into OTF. Now what is OTF? OTF stands for output text format. Now what is OTF? OTF stands for output text format. So whenever you want to generate a PDF of the smart form, firstly you have to convert that into OTF. Now how to convert that smart form into PDF? Firstly what we will do, we have this smart form name. We will go for transaction code smart forms. I will pass the name of the smart form. I am executing the smart form. I am displaying the function module of the smart form. I will go for my program. This is the function module of the program, function module of the smart form. I am uncommenting the parameter control parameters. I am uncommenting this job output info. These two options I am uncommenting. Now my first target is to get a OTF of the smart form. So how to get the OTF? Firstly I will check the control parameter. Firstly I will check the type of control parameters. So I will go for this function module of the smart form. Here control parameter is of this type. I will double click on the type. Here I have one option, get OTF. Here I have one option, that is get OTF. Now I will set this variable to X if I want to generate a OTF of the smart form. So I will declare one structure ls_data ls_control parameters type structure. The name of the structure is this one. Now I will pass the parameter get_OTF to X. This structure has a parameter get OTF equals to X. Now I am passing this parameter to this function module of the smart form. Now I will go for this job output info. I am uncommenting importing also. Now I am checking the output of this option. Type of this option job output info. Export job output info of this type. Here I have option OTF data. So I will declare one parameter of this type, data ls_job info type this structure. Now I am passing this parameter into this function module of the smart form. Now I am passing get OTF to X. So this parameter will give us the OTF data of the smart form. Now we have the OTF data. Now I will convert that OTF into PDF. So for converting that OTF into PDF, I have one reusable component, that is convert_OTF. So I will go for pattern. I will pass the name convert_OTF. Now I am pressing enter. I am uncommenting this exporting. I am passing the format as PDF because I want to generate a PDF. Now I am passing the OTF in table parameter. Now if we are now if I am going for convert underscore OTF, this OTF is of this type, this line is of this type. So I will declare two internal tables of this type. So firstly I am declaring LT underscore OTF type table of this. Now I will declare LT underscore lines type table of, I will double click on this, tables, line is of this type. Now I will pass these two parameters, LT underscore OTF here and LT underscore lines here. Now this LT underscore, now I have to move the OTF to this parameter LT underscore OTF. Now this ls underscore job info, it is of this type. When I double click on this OTF data will return us OTF data of the smartphone. So our ls job info OTF data, now I am moving it to which parameter? This is the parameter of the function module. So I am transferring OTF to the corresponding internal table. Now I am also uncommenting these two options, bin underscore file size or bin underscore file. I will check the type of these two parameters. I am only taking bin underscore file size. I am not taking this parameter bin underscore file. I am declaring one local variable lv underscore file size, suppose type integer I. Now I am passing this parameter here. Now I am checking for the syntax. Now I am activating the program. Now firstly we have written the logic for getting the OTF. After that we have written the logic for converting that OTF into PDF. Now we have the PDF. Now we have to download that PDF onto the desktop or onto the local machine. So for downloading PDF or for downloading, we have one function module or one reusable component in SAP, that is GUI underscore download. So I will go for pattern. I will pass the name GUI underscore download. I am pressing enter. Now file size, I already have the file size variable is lv underscore file size. Our data underscore tab is lt underscore lines. The internal table name is lt underscore lines. Now I am passing the file name. You have to pass the path where you want to store the file type. Now if I am double clicking on the function module, the file type is either ASCII or either binary. Now suppose I am going for binary. Now I have to pass the path of the file where I want to store this PDF. This we will continue in next lecture.